It is time for a message from the future. Preview time! Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a new preview, and today's video we are going to look on AliExpress. The Pandora box number 6, Dream Never End. It's just released, and I think they are just launching a new box again, or they are just trying to trick us, because where are 7 and 8? Where are 7 and 8? We are here having the Pandora box number 9. So what we can see here on the AliExpress website, there are a couple of sellers, and we're going to take a close look at some of them. First of all, these little arcade machine. They're saying they are selling here Pandora box number 9, but if you look at the pictures, Pandora box 5. So that is just, yeah, they are trying to trick us. That's one thing that's for sure. And let's see, we got here the Pandora's box 3H game store. I know the 3A is the original one, the 3H. I just seriously ripping off the name too. So yeah, let's take a close look at the display arcade. Nah, one thing is for sure, this is in Pandora box 5. Let's scroll a little bit to the bottom. I love these TV boxes, by the way. And what we can see here, that this is just actually in Pandora box number 5. Alright, the second one we are going to check out is the Pandora box number 9. This one with a really nice custom labels on it from Street Fighter 5. Alright, there are a lot of versions here. This is from the YCM arcade console store. Yeah, do I say that correctly? HCM. And yeah, they got some really nice art. Alright, Tekken 6. I know you cannot play Street Fighter 5 and Tekken 6 on the stick. Maybe you can connect it to your console. Ah, and they have used the Pandora box number 5. This is the manual of Pandora box 5. Alright. Let's even hold the picture. So one thing is for sure, there is no such thing as Pandora box 9 if you look at this one. Alright, the final one is the one we find here at the bottom. Yeah, I think they just switched the 6 to a 9, but that's something that I'm thinking of. Maybe they did something else. Alright, let's take a close look at the Pandora box number 9 from the 3H store. It's got exactly the same casings, the Wolverine Ryu and the, what is this? Yeah, the Iron Man and Captain America and Spider-Man. Woody got a movie. Right. They didn't even put the effort of putting a full movie on it. Oh my G, again, oh my G. Oh, I see it's still a little bit of Dutch, but saying here that they don't add games due of copyright. So for the people who didn't know, I don't know what this is, but it says number 9 here, Pandora box number 9. This looks different. Alright, still got the Pandora 9 here. Pandora 9, 5001. I am really curious. I know what do you think of it? Leave it in a comment. I really love to know what do you think of this. And yeah, right. It's got the same color casing like the Pandora box number 6. Here we got the orange version again. They have a little picture here, which it says number 9. Alright, yeah, pause. Yeah, you can do it with Pandora box 6. This is for if you want to install it on your PC. I don't see some big differences. Look all the same. Got the blue background. That's interesting. I can remember the Pandora box 6 got a totally different background color. So yeah, people, that concludes a little bit of this preview, and yeah, let me know what you think of it. I think they are trying to trick us. One thing to be clear about the Pandora box 6, you can add your own games, you can add new files. If you ask me, what they just did is they take in Pandora box 6, they swapped out the decal, and yeah, I think not only made manual but the intro and everything else, and they just added more games. So what you get is just a Pandora box 6 with more games. Alright, yeah, that concludes a little bit of this preview. If you have any questions, and yeah, again, let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell so you get notified of upcoming videos, previews and let's play. And thanks for watching. Oh, and hit that little bell. See you next time.